Hello guys, welcome back to Ceefashion Academy. Today I'll be giving you a very special topic. That is, I'll be teaching you how to cut a bias tape using your own fabric. It is no longer the artificial bias tape that you'll be using. Do you understand? So this really happens most cases whereby we are making a very fine cloth and we are using a plain artificial bias tape, which is not good. So guys, for you to know how to cut with your own fabric, make sure you watch this video to the end and make sure you click on that like button, because the more you like it, the more others get to see it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.
So like I said, I'll be teaching us how to do what? Cut a bias using your fabric. It's not in all cases that you use all these artificially made bias in order to do turn your dress. Do you understand? Sometimes you choose to make use of the same fabric. You understand? So in order to get that, most people don't know it. What most people usually do is that they usually cut it like this. Look at it. They usually cut it out like this. Okay. They usually cut it out like. Are you seeing it? When they cut out, they will not tell you that. Okay, see what they will say. I can't you see that it's the same thing? You understand? So at the end of the day, I want to tell you that this and this is not the same. When you use this and turn or pipe a particular cloth, it's different. What it will give you is different to what this one is going to give. Why? Because when you touch this one, when you feel this one, you notice that this one is stretchy. Are you seeing it? But when you feel this one, you notice that it is not stretchy. So these are the differences, and this difference makes this one to perform very well. Because when something is stretchy, that means you can use it at any corner, at any curve. Do you understand? But this one you cannot. Even when you use it, it tends to give you a kind of rump or foldings all around. You understand? So I'll be teaching us how to use the same fabric to do cut a bias. Do you understand? Okay, in order to do that, this is just very, very simple. Most people don't know that this is very simple. The same way you cut out this straight like this, are you saying it? It's the same way I'm going to teach you how to get it. So how do you get it? So the simplest way of getting it is make sure you cut it out diagonally. What do I mean by diagonally? Look at it now. Just take your rule. Instead of placing it like this, are you seeing it? Place it like this. The more diagonal you go, the more stretchy the material is. Just know it that way. Now look at it. Are you seeing it? Let me show you. Okay. Are you seeing it? So now I've gotten this very first line. So I will now use this first line. Let's say the thickness of what I want is 1.5 inches. That is what I want to use and pipe. Okay, so mark out 1.5 inches. Are you seeing it? Mark out 1.5. Okay, when you mark it out, now you've gotten it. Take also this rule and do connect it in order to get the same fabric that we cut out from here that was not stretchy. So next thing you are going to do, are you seeing it? Now we've gotten it from here to here. Next thing you are going to do is take your scissors and cut it off. Okay, are you seeing it? After you cut it off, now feel it. You can see it is now stretchy. Are you seeing it? So in order for you to make a material that is not stretchy, all you need to do is to do cut it in a bias form. That means in a diagonal form. Do you understand? If you look at it, you notice that this one is stretchy, the same as this one. Are you seeing it? So that means this stretchy nature will make it to pipe anything you want to pipe, whether neck of a senator, neck of any cloth, not just a senator, even your female ready to wear, you can use it to pipe it, or even the down part of a shirt or anything. You understand? You can use it to pipe it and it will come out perfectly well. So that is how to do cut out a bias with your fabric. That is it.